fellow YouTuber and DJ Man 1011 followers. Just on a little nature bike ride at a pond right now. So let's go through the trail. No, this is not my property. But it is a public access right now. So let's go. Going for a bike ride, yeah! Wow. So many tree branches. Now I think I'll videotape like this. Mud, mud, and more mud. Just slip sliding. That's all this nature trail is, you guys. Mud and water. I could swear this is the only thing that this nature trail is right now. Alright, finally out of all of that crap. And there's somebody screaming. Not at me, just somebody screaming for no reason. So I'll get back to you when this ride's done. Alright, you guys, so I'm about halfway through this ride, and this happens. So I'm going to cross it with this board, which is not going to be the easiest thing, but yes, I did it. Go through this muck, and we're good. Yes, I made it, and yes, my shirt is caught. Alright. Wow. This is pretty hard. Alright, again, I'll see you at the place where I turn around. You guys, I do not know what this is, but I came up to like a little pathway of rocks. Yay, finally something hard to ride on instead of soft and slippery. Really a bummer, you guys, but look. All of that. It's like a pond. Alright, so I'll probably just take a little break or stop. I'm hearing a go-kart, a four-wheeler motor, so yeah, I'm gonna turn around anyways. See you guys on the way back. Alright, you guys, so that was my nature trail right there. Not mine. My nature trail bike ride. Alright. See you guys in my next vlog. Alright, that was my final sign out. I'm just on my way back, right next to a highway and houses. Alright, so this is my final sign out. Alright, keep on DJing. Alright, click here for my main channel, click here for my last video. Alright, peace.